Hey everybody out there, Coach Dan along with the Over 40 Protocol, and I'm in my dining room table here in my dining room, and yes, I have a stack of butter, lard, right here in front of me to totally go over with you. I'm gonna answer the question today. If you're over the age of 40, can you lose muscle or maintain muscle on the ketogenic diet? Yes, I'm gonna answer that for you. Now listen, before I get started, okay, and we go into this lard right here, you see this link around here? Don't click it, don't touch it, don't even look at it, because I gotta get you this amazing information first, because I did some research, and I did a ton of research to let you know the facts. The facts are, you should be consuming around 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. So I'm gonna give you an example. If I weigh 220 pounds, I should be consuming 220 grams of protein a day to also maintain lean muscle mass. But if I'm working out, I also wanna maintain and be able to give the muscle what it needs to repair. It needs 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. Now, on the ketogenic diet, are you consuming even a half a gram of protein? The answer is no. Okay, because for every ketogenic diet that someone's on right now out there, and listen, if you've been on the ketogenic diet for over 14 days, you need to really, really listen up, okay? Here's the thing. In theory, you should be consuming no more than about 20% protein versus all of the lard. Yes, you are consuming up to 80% of just fats in order to get in ketosis. Now you have to understand that ketosis is a consequence for the lack of carbohydrates. Yes, did you hear me? A consequence for the lack of carbohydrates. Now, I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna confess, I did the ketogenic diet, I did the paleo diet, I also did the vegan diet, and I failed at them tremendously. Let me tell you why. Vegan diet, I have to have meat. It's just me. It's one of the things that I'm not gonna live for 7 days a week and not be able to eat meat. Some people can, God bless you, that's amazing, okay? Paleo and keto, let me tell you, okay? I have to have carbohydrates. And the carbohydrates, because here's what happens. I particularly get moody. And the people around my house, because I have a family of 5, 3 kids and an amazing wife, they do not want to be around me when it comes to me of the lack of carbs. And again, ketosis is a consequence of the lack of carbohydrates, which you have to do when you're on the ketogenic diet. So now, if you've been on the ketogenic diet for over 14 days, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And that's why I'm sitting here with this plate of lard today to go over the ketogenic diet with you. Now, there is about 1% of anyone that I know, and listen, I have been training and nutritionally helping moms, dads, professional athletes, military, right? The people who are fighting for our country, military, Olympians. And here's the thing, none of them at a high level were able to maintain a ketogenic diet for more than 90 days. It's a fad diet. It is what it is. You have to understand, it was made specifically to treat epilepsy. Yes, epilepsy, okay? Now, can you lose fat? Sure you can. Can you go into ketosis? Sure you can. Can you get the keto flu? Yes, you can. You can feel like you actually have the flu on the ketogenic diet for a period of time before you go into ketosis. And then you can fall out of ketosis even on accident, just if you consume too many carbs, which is, trust me, it's not even 10%. And to function on that daily is an issue. So I'm here to bring you the facts. 1 gram of protein per body weight is what you should be consuming to maintain lean muscle, right? Everywhere you have around your body to maintain lean muscle, especially if you're over the age of 40. Now, don't get too worried and don't get too excited, because let me explain one great thing for you. It's taken over 20 plus years to put all of this knowledge and create a system that will reset your hormones. See, you should be boosting growth hormone, especially over the age of 40. Like myself, I'm 46 years old. My wife is 42. And you're about to see Sean, he's 47. You're gonna see his wife, Karen, she's 59. And she's using what I'm about to introduce to you to live a healthy lifestyle by resetting your hormones from all the fad dieting. So if this is something that you're frustrated, and sick and tired of, I have a one-day solution for you, and it's gonna be at this link in a second. Now, before I go there, do me a favor. If you love this and you want more videos from me, right now, hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share for me. Do that right down here. Hit a like, hit a heart, hit a share. And then, if you know that right now, that keto is not for you, I want you to put down in the comments below, I tried keto, 2 exclamation marks. I tried keto, 2 exclamation marks. And by you hitting that like, that heart, or that share, it tells me that you're looking for a reset. You're looking for a non-fad diet solution, which I have for you today. It's called the Over 40 Hormone Reset Solution. It is a one-day fix that helps over every 24 hours you use it to give you the solution to reset your hormones if you're over the age of 40 like myself and you want to live that healthy lifestyle. It will boost hormones, it will boost metabolism, and it will fight the aging process. Yes, you can defy aging by using this exact system. So if you're excited and this is old news and this is not your solution, if it is, God bless you. Hey, amazing, because I will tell you, you're one of the 1% that can actually stay on it, and I wasn't. If you're one of the 99% and you're looking for that one-day solution, it's gonna be at this link in a second that you'll click. It'll take you there. Not only are you gonna learn how to strategically use meal timing, you're gonna learn how to strategically put combinations of certain foods together to create and activate this protocol. You're also gonna be able to do, oh, are you ready for this? Look at this. Say goodbye to the lard. Say hello to the carb. Back again. Yes, this is one of my favorite, okay? One of my favorite cereals is honeycomb cereal. You're gonna be able to take this, open up the box, pour you some amazing honeycombs, put your milk in, and dig in. Another one of my snacks I love is pretzels. Oh my goodness, we consume so many pretzels in this household. Well, you cannot have these on the ketogenic diet, along with all the other carbs that you crave. If you're looking to put these carbohydrates in all your favorites back on the table, you can do so right now by clicking the link that will take you to the one-day over 40 hormone reset diet. It'll give you the exact program and protocol to put high-carb cheat meals back in your diet and get the healthy lifestyle that you've been always longing for. So, I'm gonna dig in. I can't use this. I'm actually gonna grab my spoon here. I'm gonna dig in these honeycomb while you go ahead and click the link now.